3 reasons why built-up roofing is still a great option for flat roofs. Coming up next.
Number 1. Proven durability and longevity. Built-up roofing, or BURR, has been used for over 100 years because of its long lifespan, typically 20 to 30 years or more when properly maintained. The multiple layers of asphalt and reinforcing fabrics create a strong watertight barrier that can withstand harsh weather, heavy foot traffic, and even minor impacts. Number 2. Superior waterproofing and UV resistance. BURR's multi-layer system provides excellent waterproofing, making it highly resistant to leaks. The top layer, often coated with gravel or reflective material, helps protect against UV damage and reduces heat absorption, which can improve energy efficiency in warm climates. Number 3. Cost-effective and low maintenance. Compared to some modern single-ply roofing systems, BURR offers a cost-effective solution, especially when considering its longevity. Since it's built in layers, it's easier to repair and maintain over time, making it a reliable investment for commercial buildings. Sign up for the link in the description to get a flat roofing guide and know all the pros and cons of all the roofing systems out there today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one.